sorry. Oh, that's nice. This fall decor, that's cute. It's really cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's cute. Oh my gosh. Tell me what I just covered that. Oh my gosh. That's Santa hat. That's cute. That's cute. Toots, I'm about to do that hair. Do that hair today. Ooh, cotton candy. Cotton candy machine. That would be cute. Look at all this nice Christmas stuff. Santa suit. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Could be. I definitely think I want to get this. It's $40, but I think I'm gonna get that. That's really cute. And they got such cute stuff. It is. Ooh. I wonder if I keep doing that. Wonder if I get one of these and I could do the balloons around it, since I don't have like the 3 to put them inside. I think I could do it around it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do in the center. You want it? Look. How old are you? 3. Say, I'm 3. Go ahead, say it. I'm 3. You're 3. All right. Oh. Ooh, this disco ball. That's cool. Oh, this is a real bubble machine. How much is this? 40. But you know what? I can get a cheaper bubble machine for like 12 or whatever, and it still be good. And I actually think I have a bubble machine already. Okay, Suze. Found that. We don't need any balloons. We have 80 balloons. So what do we need to get? We have 80 balloons. All right. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is going to be Ace's 3rd birthday vlog and party I'm gonna record for you guys. So we actually just got here at Party City, did some shopping. The only thing I got was the 3 that you saw in the previous clip. I have to get tablecloths, napkins, utensils, and stuff like that. So I'm going to get that. That's stuff. And then I'm just going to show you guys what I got when I get back to the house, because my phone is dying. And yeah, I think I'm just going to show you the end, like when I pay for everything, and that's leaving, and that's going to be it. All right, so I will see you guys. And if you want to see how great my son's birthday comes out, then continue to watch, because it is going to be lit. Okay, yo, so it's December, my birthday's in March, and I just found what theme I'm doing. Paris. And I actually love Paris. I'm gonna go there. So this is so cute, and I'm gonna get this for myself for my birthday. But look at the piñata, because this year for my birthday, it's definitely gonna be turning up. Oh my gosh, look at the little Eiffel Towers. That's so cute. Wow. Okay. 103.76. Okay, so we are at Giant now. Hey, say hi to the vlog. No? Okay. Well, we're at Giant now, and I'm just going to get the rest of, well, not the rest of, get the stuff to begin with for the party as far as food and stuff. Okay, he always comes to me every time I'm in the store. I don't know why. Alright. So the first thing, I believe I was gonna get look. Gonna come back and talk to y'all when I get everything, because I don't know why it's so hard for me to find stuff right now. Oh, right when I was about to tell y'all to go, I found it. So, yeah, one of these, the nice little trays, and one of those, like for people to eat. Alright, y'all. I think I'm about to speed this up because I don't know how long this is going to take. Because I just got that and the macaroni. So, I'm going to speed it up. Alright. Say speed it up. Say speed up. Okay. Hey guys. So, we are back. We are just leaving the grocery store. Ace didn't want to ride in the cart anymore. So I'm holding him and pushing the cart. It is not easy as it looks. As easy as I'm making it look. So I just went and got all the snacks, juice, cake, cupcakes. Now I just have to get tablecloths, and then we will be ready for the party tomorrow. All right, so I'll see you when I'm getting tablecloths. I don't know why that one piece is just sticking up like that. It looks crazy. All right. Okay, we made it. Now to put all this in the car. Let me do that. Okay, so I'm back from the grocery store. I couldn't go to Dollar Tree to get the tablecloths because they were closed, even though they said that they're open until 9. So I'm a little annoyed by that because in the morning I'll have to go run and get tablecloths and get the candy. And then I have to go there and literally set up this birthday party in 45 minutes. But I'm not worried that I won't be able to accomplish that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Party City. So the first thing is this pop up trash can. Like, I got it because I could use it for other stuff too, and I thought it was cool. And I think it was like $7 or $8, so that was a good buy. I got this to put like candy in on the front table, like just to give it like a fancier look. So I got that. I got 2 packs of the birthday blast, like with the astronaut, with the rocket ship on it. So I got that. And I needed this because I have 80 balloons that I'm gonna need to pump myself. So I'm gonna do that. And I got this. Oh my gosh, I forgot to ask them how I do this. Inflate with air. Oh, so it's just like a big balloon and it like sits. I think it moves. I thought that would be cool because we are going like with the whole like space astronaut outer space thing. So I thought that would be cool to have. And oh, I got these for the cupcakes. It comes with these, but I'm not making the cupcakes. I'm just doing this. Yeah, I'm just doing these. Oh, well, I might take the cupcakes out and put them in here. I might do that. Since it comes with it, I might as well use it and then give it like extra. Well, we'll see how it goes because you guys are going to be with me while I'm setting up everything. So definitely see how it turns out and comes together. I'm not worried about it not coming together. I know it's going to come together and be nice. I got this for like I got a cheese and like cracker platter, so that's why I got this. Also I could use it for other things, so another reason why I just bought it. Why not? And I got tongs to go with it. I got these blast off birthday. Tell me that's not cute. So I got 2 of these. For the birthday cake. I had to get these for the birthday cake because I just got like a regular birthday cake. I wasn't able like to go get like a fancy one made. I just did not that this was last minute, but okay, this was kind of last minute. Like me pulling all of my ideas together was last minute. But I knew I wasn't going to spend a lot on a cake anyway. So this is like perfect because I don't think my son, he's not even going to eat. He's probably not even going to eat any cake. It's his birthday party. But that's why I just got a regular cake. And I got 3 of these plates. 3 of these plates. They're full rocket ships. And I thought, there's a second one. Yeah, I got 3 of these. Thought they were cute. And I think they were only like $2. Something like that. $2 each. Okay, I got 1 tablecloth. And this is for the main table. And they actually only had 1 other tablecloth like this. So I couldn't do all the tables this. But I didn't want to anyway. I wanted to do like the different colors of like the different planets. So I was gonna do that. So hoping that the Dollar Tree has colored tablecloths, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I got this. So see, this is what I mean by like an extravagant cake. Like that's a full-blown rocket ship. Like, but it's really cute. But I'm not gonna do that. But the cake is gonna be like in the center. I'm gonna have candy. That's why I got one of that clear thing, like to put candy in. And I'm definitely gonna put the cupcakes up there. And I did get confetti to put around, but blast off birthday is gonna be in the front. And I think that's really cute. Oh, I got another pattern of napkins. I got this one too. Just so make sure I have enough napkins. Yep, I got this confetti. So definitely have enough confetti for the table. And yep, I knew I had got another pack of those napkins. So there's that. And I got this to also add on the front table, just to give it, you know, like some extra pizzazz. And then let me show you guys what came from Amazon. And I'm not gonna take it out because I need to be able to transport to the venue, which is what's happening at the library. They have like a play area upstairs. You know, it's really nice. You guys will see it. It has a kitchen and everything. It's really nice. So I'm excited. So these are the stickers I got. I was planning on just putting some science stickers like on the chips that I got. So I think it would maybe like add like a cute touch or something. and it's his favorite chips. So I think that's the only thing that you guys are gonna see me do. That little DIY type project or whatever. See how it turns out. And yep, that's it, because I will be doing everything tomorrow. I think I am gonna start blowing up balloons maybe in the morning. I know I'll probably do the number 3. Well, actually, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do everything there because I don't want to risk like doing it and then it gets messed up. Yeah, so I had to do everything in the morning. These are the banners. I got like science room backdrops, so it actually look like you're in a science room when you are at the party and you take a picture. So yep, I'll leave those stickers out so I can do my little DIY and see how it turns out. And then that will be all I will be doing. Excuse the boxes. The boxes. Still unpacking. Excuse that. That is my desk area. And I'm actually going to be doing a video on. I'm going to be getting that whole area together. Because I am going to start definitely doing more home decor things. So you guys are going to see that. But yeah. So I'm going to do that. The chips, like I told you guys. And yep, that's it. Okay. Hey guys, so this is my fit for Ace's birthday party. It's real simple. I have to do all the decorations and stuff when I get there, so I wanted to be comfortable. And I just threw it together. So this is my low Yeezys I got from Blushmark, and jeans that I've been had. I don't even know where they're from, but yeah, jeans I've been had, and this shirt is from Shein. And I'm actually gonna try to do my haul this weekend, and this is gonna be a part of it. And like I had to do laundry, so I had to pull this out, and this was like something simple that I got, so I wore this. So yeah, I will see y'all when we get there. Okay guys, it's 11:22, and as you can see, I haven't got anything done, so I'm gonna just let y'all see it when it's finished, because I gotta get to work. Okay, yeah. Happy birthday to you, and many more.